What's going on, everyone? Restockhand here, EVP of Video Productions for MultiGP. We are here at the AMA headquarters for the second annual MultiGP International Open. Let's go check it out.
All right, guys. I'm so happy to tell you about this event. My name's Kimbo FPV. I'm from Canada. We've got pilots from across the planet right here in Muncie, Indiana. I've been having so much fun all day long, and nothing is stopping us from flying. We are going through every pack we can do. You have to be here. This is the best place for FPV. This is the second time we put it on, and it's been getting bigger and better.
We landed home from China, packed this up, and then drove here. I miss you. How's it going? 2018, another year at I.O. I can't wait. This year's gonna be bigger and better and badder. Super excited about that. Got the whole lunchbox crew.
So we're ready to finally get out and fly, all checked in. Stayed in the RV last night, so we're anxious to get this party started.
So excited. I was just flying this track. It's awesome. I love how open it is, and it's just awesome. There's so many people just talking to everybody. It's sick.
You've seen people come to your events and leave happy. You've seen their expectations met, and you've seen them become part of a new community, make a new group of friends, right? Maybe make friends. They may not have people that they hang out with where they can share this with, but they've joined a family. If you look around in this community, you talk to these pilots, this is now their group of friends. They may have never been a part of a social group like you've created, but you can't stop. You've got to continue to hold on to what keeps you and your group bringing new people in.